Hey guys, my name is Akiram. Welcome to B.Tech Career Guide. So in this video, I brought you a lot of interesting opportunities from different companies, and one is for the competition also. So let us dive into that. Before that, let us see the scoreboard of our match. Today we have a match with RCB and SRH, and you all know that I support SRH Sunrisers Hyderabad. So those who are supporting RCB, just keep going. Like RCB, you know that's out of the tournament, but it's pathetic. But do support SRH, okay? Uh, that's it, and let's dive into our today's topic. Uh, ZS is a company which they have conducting the campus bites for competition. Every year we identify and engage students from dozens of top engineering schools through a range of learning activities and case challenges designed to prepare them for the upcoming placement sessions and learn about ZS world culture. So this is for the 2024 batch, and it's a competition kind of thing. Like you need to have a separate team to get participating in this challenge, and you should also have a team leader. Okay, so the program overviews includes live seminars and case challenges and panel interview at the end of the May. So registration window will be opening from 12th to April 6th, and we have time around for 11 days, I guess. And then case study challenge will be opening on April, and then panel interview will be on May 2024. So in case if you are interested for this case challenge, you can directly sign up here, or in case if you are interested for the text challenge, you can directly sign up for here. So let us see the sign up process. So I think I have clicked already. So let us sign up for the case challenge, and this only for 2024 batch, guys. You should not apply for 2024 or 2023 previous batches. Is only for 2025 batch. Okay, so click on start registration. So it is asking you, see, these are the guidelines for the competition. Like team composition, each team should consist of 3 to 4 members, including one woman candidate as mandatory participant of the free panel year only. Okay, so you need to have a team of 3 to 4 members. One woman candidate should be there. So eligibility degree includes BTech, BE, engineering branches, BA honors economics, BA honors maths, BA honors statistics, BCom honors, BSc honors economics, BSc maths, BSc stats. Okay, so eligibility, so this is openly for 2025 batch out only, and any other registration would be disqualified. Each team should have an overall CGPA of 7 and above in the current courses. Additionally, 70% score in the 10th and 12th is mandatory. Each team member must meet the eligibility criteria, as the competition team registration will stand invalid. Okay, so every team member in the group should have a CGPA of more than 7, and it should include around 1 female candidate into the group. Okay, so team requirements are each team should select a team name, and one student from each team should be designated by the team as leader. One student can be a part of one team only. Cross colleges teams are not allowed. So in case if you are interested, and in case you can find the suitable candidates and one female candidate and couple of boys, or can form a group around the equal boys and equal girls. So anyways, which you feel that comfortable with the eligibility criteria, just click on agree here. I think it will be asking you to enter your email address. So from this area, I can't proceed further, but I will be stopping it here. But do register yourself in this competition, or else you can directly go for the tech challenge also. Anyways, it's up to you to decide on which technology you want to work on, or which case studies you want to go further. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. And let us see the another job opportunity, that is from the Roboyo. So they have released backend developer role, and the location is Hyderabad. Okay, it's well near to us, and you know the salary package would be around 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. So as simple as that. So let us see the job responsibilities. Collaborating within a self-organized team structure, developing documentation and promoting interdisciplinary collaborations, coding to introduce new modules, establish standards and ensure quality, leveraging a modern technology stack including .NET, Angular, DevOps tools, tackling technical and conceptual challenges through problem solving. So this tech stack they have provided is .NET, Angular, and DevOps. So you can select any of them once you have selected for the company. Okay, so benefits are the same for all the companies. So in case if you are interested, and it's for all the batches, guys, so you can apply as soon as possible. So in case if you want to apply for that, just click on apply. So let us see the job application. Like it is asking you to upload your resume. Just do that, and basic information, select your pronunciation and then name, your last name, email address, and your address, and attach your resume again, and click on next. And next one is assessment. I don't know what kind of assessment it is. So in case if anybody apply for this job, just do send us the assignment on our Instagram handle. I will be solving them, and I will be posting the assignment solution also for you, so that it will be easy for you to apply for the company and get the job opportunity. Okay, so let us see the next one, which is from the Keysight. They have released Intern technical one, and the stipend would be around 20k to 35k per month. The location is Bangalore. Okay, so let us go further and the qualifications, etc. So a key insight, we help companies address the toughest challenges with precision and confidence. We offer the most precise electronic measurement tools in the industry with advanced software to match our employment, leveraging their site and passionate to revolutionate something electronic measurement and make a difference in the world. So qualification, like brightest minds in the measurement unit, so and so. So in case if you're interested and if you want to have the stipend around 20 to 30k per month, just click on apply now here. Okay, so the page is loading. Let us see. So instead it is asking you to enter your email address. Just enter the email address and click on the privacy policy and then proceed to fill the application. So as I can't proceed further, I will be stopping it here. So but you do fill it and apply for the job. So the next one which I brought you is from the IBM. They have released associate software engineer and the location is around Mumbai, Pune and Hyderabad and Chennai. The qualification is B.Tech and BE and batch is around 2023 and 2024. You can apply any of the batches. Like if you are 2023, you can apply 2024 also. You can apply. Okay. So requirement technical expertise. We are looking for foreign skills from you. Programming preferably in Java, Python, Node.js and software development lifecycle concept. Prefer technical and professional expertise, problem solving and communication. So basically those who have applied for this kind of IBM test, they are receiving the IBM coding on solutions, which we already posted in our YouTube channel, like what kind of questions they are asking, what is the minimum, what is the level of questions they are asking. You can go through that videos and you can directly attempt the test. Okay, so in case if you are interested, just click on apply now here. I think it will be asking you to join the community. Just click no thanks and then proceed. I don't want to. Okay, join in the IBM community. Okay, outside as we have discussed so far, just click on apply to this job. So you need to sign in to the IBM before you apply for the job. As I can't proceed further, I will be stopping it here. But in case if you don't have an account, just create an account in it and apply for the job. And in case if you already have an account, they'll fill your email address, password, and then apply for this job. Okay, the last one which I brought is from the MotoRola solutions. They have released for apprentice training. The location is Bangalore and the qualification is BE in BTech. Okay, as simple as that. So no further discussion on this. So as an apprentice training, it will be around 6 months to 12 months of apprentice training will be. We can directly gain lot of experience there. Okay, so to start your application, you can autofill with your resume, apply manually, use your last application, apply with Seek and apply with your LinkedIn. So please select any of the options and then proceed further. So these are the job updates for today, and I will be placing all the links in the description box, guys. Do feel free to apply as soon as possible and don't forget to subscribe our channel BTech Guide for latest job postings. That's it in the video, guys. So let's catch up on another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.